Hey, what's up? If you're looking for the best front load washers, you've come to the right place. We've done all the research to bring you the top front load washing machines of 2025. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best front load washers of 2025, from budget-friendly models to high-efficiency washers packed with smart features and heavy-duty performance. And the best part? You can check out all the washers we mentioned by clicking the links in the description below. Let's get into it and find the perfect washer to keep your laundry game strong this year. Number 5. Whirlpool Washer. Looking for a washer that's compact but packed with power? Meet the Whirlpool WFW 5605 MW. It's a front-load washer with a roomy 4.5 cubic feet capacity, perfect for big loads, yet slim enough to fit tight spaces. You get 37 one-touch cycles, from steam clean to sanitize and wrinkle control. Tumble Fresh keeps clothes fresh for up to 12 hours after the cycle ends, while vibration control ensures it runs steady and quiet. There's a smart single-load dispenser for detergent, a sleek digital panel, and it's ADA compliant too. Plus, it's Energy Star certified and has a clean washer cycle with a fresh to keep things fresh. This video is Amazon affiliated, and we've handpicked today's hottest tech deals just for you. Tap the link in the description to unlock limited time offers while they last. Buying through that link helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. You're smart. Don't miss out on the best gear before it's gone. Number 4. Electrolux Elfw 7637AT. It's got a roomy 4.5 cubic feet drum, perfect for king-size comforters and stackable to save space. With 11 wash programs and 8 quick options, LuxCare Plus Tech makes sure every load gets a precise clean. Pure Rinse removes leftover detergent, while Optic Whites keeps your whites extra bright. Tough stains? Stain Soak and Perfect Steam handle them before the cycle even begins. Need clean clothes fast? The 15-minute fast wash has you covered, plus there are sanitize and allergy options too. A reversible door, quiet operation, easy controls, and Energy Star efficiency round it all out. Number 3. GE GFW 550S Front Load Washer. It's smart, spacious, and built to fit your life. With a 4.8 cubic feet capacity, it handles large loads with ease and fits into a true 32-inch closet depth for flexible installs. You get up to 10 wash cycles for customized cleaning, and built-in Wi-Fi lets you monitor and control it remotely. The ultra-fresh vent system helps prevent odors, while dynamic balancing technology keeps things running smooth and quiet. It's Energy Star certified too, efficient, powerful, and ready for your laundry game. Number 2. Samsung Bespoke. Meet the Samsung Bespoke 5.3 cubic feet front load washer. Smart, stylish, and perfect for big loads. AI OptiWash senses how dirty your laundry is and adjusts the wash automatically. Auto Dispense handles detergent and softener for you. With a huge 5.3 cubic feet capacity, it's great for families, and Hygiene Steam helps eliminate germs and allergens. You get a sleek touch panel, 1200 RPM spin speed for faster drying. It comes ready to stack with everything you need. Number 1. LG WM 4000 HWA. Looking for a washer that's smart, fast, and fits your busy life? Check out the LG WM 4000 HWA. It's got a roomy 4.5 cubic feet drum, great for big loads, plus Turbo Wash 360 degrees with 5 jets that clean your clothes in under 30 minutes. Cold Wash saves energy while still getting things super clean, and the built-in Wi-Fi lets you control it right from the LG ThinQ app. It even uses AI to figure out the best settings and can sync up with your dryer to make laundry days smoother. You'll love the quiet, reliable motor with a 10-year warranty, the sleek glass door, and the space-saving closet depth design. All the power and smarts you need, without the bulk. I hope this roundup of the best front-load washers helped you zero in on your perfect laundry sidekick. If you're ready to upgrade wash day, hit the links in the description for the latest prices, specs, and deals. Got a tried-and-true washer or a pro laundry hack you swear by? Drop in the comments. I'd love to hear how you keep your clothes looking fresh. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy washing!